working on Mars Rover robotics. That's where I gained a lot of my passion and excitement for the kind of intersection between practical, tangible engineering projects and electromagnetism and physics that's not quite as tangible, but still super interesting and challenging. I'm Jason DiMartino. I'm a scientist here at EMA. My background is in physics. I graduated in 2024 with a BA from Cornell University. Primarily, lately I've been working on our material characterization instruments. That's kind of development of test fixtures and a lot of trial and error with sensitive instrumentation and programming our LabVIEW for data acquisition. And on the other side of that, I also do some simulation software with the tools that we develop to supplement the measurement that we do with our test fixtures. As our Siri lab continues to grow and expand, we're going to be adding more and more different test fixtures. I think one that comes to mind is strontium-90. One that's also been talked about recently is some PECVD, plasma deposition kind of technology that could be valuable for semiconductor industry and lithography kind of stuff. So I think that could be super exciting lab instrumentation to develop and work with in the future as well.